Okay, let's get right into it because this is going to sound a little crazy. What if you could get your hands on the most powerful, most expensive AI models on the entire planet, but you didn't have to pay a single penny for them?
And I'm not kidding. I'm talking about unlimited access to the next generation of AI. The stuff companies are going to charge an absolute fortune for. Now, I know it sounds like clickbait, but I'm telling you, I've spent weeks digging, and I found a backdoor into the world of AI. And this is your key.
You know how it is. The AI world is just exploding, right? It's this maze of dozens of different tools. They're all promising to be the next big thing, and every single one of them has its hand out, asking for money with different subscriptions and credit packs. It's confusing, and you're always kind of worried you're paying for a tool that's just not going to be worth it. Well, today, we're throwing out that old, expensive way and swapping it for a new one. One single platform that's insanely powerful and completely, totally free.
So, what is this secret platform? All right, let's pull back the curtain. It's called the LMS Chatbot Arena. Now, this isn't some shady fly-by-night website, okay? It's a legitimate research project. Think of it like a secret fight club for AI. The biggest companies in the world, we're talking Google, OpenAI, you name it, they come here to battle test their brand new models, completely anonymously. And our job, as users, is to test them out.
And that, of course, brings us to the big question that's probably screaming in your head right now. How on earth can this be free? And maybe more importantly, how is it 100% legal? There's got to be a catch, right?
And here is the absolutely brilliant answer. There is no catch. You see, when you test two of these anonymous models side by side and you just vote for the one that gave you a better answer, you're giving them priceless data. Your votes are the payment. That feedback is so valuable to these companies that they're willing to give you unlimited access in exchange. It's a total win-win.
Okay, so now that we know how it all works, let's get to the fun part, actually using it. Once you're inside, you're going to want to find the direct chat feature. Just think of this as your own personal control panel, where you can command any of these AI titans you want. So let's start with a big one. We're going to pick one of the top-rated anonymous models, one that's so good, people are whispering it's basically on the level of the unreleased GPT-5, and we're going to see what this thing can really do.
Okay, so I'm feeding it this exact prompt. Now look at how specific this is. We're not just asking a question, we're giving it a role, a genius consultant. We're asking for unconventional ideas, and we're giving it a budget of under $100. See, the quality of your prompt is everything. And the results? Genuinely creative, actually useful ideas. I mean, people are going to be paying a fortune for this level of business consulting, and we're getting it for free.
But it's not just for making money. Let's switch gears. We'll pick another top model, this time one that feels a lot like what we expect from Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro, and let's give it a personal productivity task. I gave it a totally messy, chaotic sample schedule and this command right here. And again, notice the framing. We're telling it to be the world's best productivity coach, and we're giving it a super clear, measurable goal. Find me 5 hours of free time.
And a few moments later, boom, it completely rebuilds the week. It tells me what to delegate, what to drop entirely, and it spits out this brand new optimized schedule. This is a real, tangible result that would normally cost you a pretty hefty subscription fee.
Now, here's the thing. This is where most people stop. They use that direct chat feature and they think, cool, that's it. But they are missing out on the absolute best parts. The Arena has a hidden toolbox that we are about to crack wide open.
First off, if you just toggle on web search, you unlock models with live internet access, kind of like Grok, which is perfect for up-to-the-minute research. Then there's the image upload feature. This gives you access to some of the world's best image generation models. There's even a tab called Build Apps, where you coders out there can generate functional code. And the final secret weapon? A connected Discord server for some seriously high-end video generation.
Just to give you a taste, I use this image model called Nano Banana. It's known for this insane realism, with this prompt here. Just look at the level of detail and the quality you can generate in seconds. And it's not just for making new images. You can upload your own photos and have the AI edit them flawlessly.
But I saved the absolute biggest secret for last. Through their Discord server, you get access to something called the Video Arena. And here, you can literally type a prompt and have two different high-end AI models generate competing video clips for you. The quality is just, it's incredible.
So we've explored all these hidden tools. Now for the most important part. Let's combine them into a simple step-by-step workflow to create viral content that, could actually become a real source of income. Here it is. The exact method.
Step 1 is the idea and the script. We use one of those top-tier models with web search turned on to find little-known facts about, say, Atlantis, and have it write an epic 60-second script. Step 2, visuals. We take key scenes from that script and we use Nano Banana to generate stunning, super high-quality images. And finally, step 3, animation. We take those incredible images over to the Discord server and turn each one into a short, cinematic, animated clip.
So let's just pause for a second. The big takeaway here is this. In just a few minutes, we've gone from a simple idea to a fully researched script with incredible images and animated video clips, all ready to be edited together. We did the whole thing from start to finish inside this one free ecosystem. My goal here was to save you time and money, and this platform gives you a complete arsenal to do exactly that.
So, you now have unlimited access to the world's best text models, insanely powerful image generators, an app builder, and even a secret way to generate high-quality AI video. You have the key. The only question left is, what are you going to build first?